with Focus Integrated Training. I'm out here at Evergreen Valley High School on a beautiful day.
That's it. Nice job. Excellent.
Hey, this is Mike Coleman from Focus Integrated Training. I'm out here at Evergreen Valley High School with the Evergreen Boot Camp. We got a little circuit training going, and we're rocking and rolling. Keep it going. Jog it back. Even way. Hey, this is Mike Coleman at Focus Integrated Training. I'm down in Long Beach at the Perform Better Functional Fitness Conference.
All right. Nice job. Beautiful.
5 seconds left. 5 seconds down.
One more.
5, 4, 3, 2,